Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 power x by 81 equal 18 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 9 power x by 81 equal 18 by 1 we can write. Now if we do cross multiplication, so it becomes 9 power x equal 18 times 81. Now, if I'll take log on both sides, so log 9 power x equal log 18 times 81. So this becomes x log 9 equal log 81 times 81. So as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So if I'll divide both sides by log 9, this will cancel out. So x equal log 81 plus log 18. We can write this by log 9. So x equal log 81 by log 9 plus log 18 by log 9. So we can write 81 as 9 times 9 and 18 as 2 times 9. So this becomes log 9 plus log 9 by log 9 plus log 2 plus log 9 by log 9. So x equal log 9 plus by log 9 plus log 9 by log 9 plus log 2 by log 9 plus log 9 by log 9. So this will cancel out 1, 1 and this will 1. So these three ones together gives 3 plus this we can write log 2 with base 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.